The diagnostics of issues in the Neterra Operations Department is based on state diagrams and events-driven process chain. The idea behind a state diagram is simple. Every complex system has a finite number of states or conditions that it can be in at any given time. Those states are exhibited by different values of the main parameters, alarm triggers, and other related indicators. The engineer preparing the support procedure describes all the possible states of the system and records them. Then, she describes the actions that lead from one state to another. With that completed, the only thing left is to decide which the starting states and the desired end states are. The result is a state diagram that looks like this. The orange polygons are the states. The green rectangles are the actions. The yellow blocks with a human on the left are the roles that perform the actions. On the right of each action, there are the conditions under which these actions are taken. They could be documents, rules, IT systems. In red, we put the identified risks that we need to address. There's also the process owner, who's a different person from the one executing the action. This is an event-driven process chain diagram representing a real diagnostics process in Neterra. The difference between a commonly used flowchart and a state diagram is huge. A state diagram is not just a random chain of possible events. A well-prepared state diagram is exhaustive in the sense that it describes all possible situations that could emerge in practice. This guarantees that the process of diagnostics is finite and is not an endless chain of trial and error that resembles spaghetti. One can also notice that the execution of state diagrams is predictable. As you can see on this diagram, which looks quite complex, there are a maximum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps that need to be taken in order to get from the starting state to the end state. That means that we can also guarantee a certain duration for diagnostics. In fact, most diagnostic procedures in the Neterra Operations Department can be accomplished in between 5 to 15 minutes. A state diagram greatly simplifies the training of support personnel because it's easy to understand and easy to follow. This is a key value with the evolving complex systems we need to support nowadays.